If you're seeing the CapCut maximum number of attempts reached error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This issue can happen when CapCut temporarily limits login or verification attempts, and the good news is that there are a few simple things you can do to get back in. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut fixes and editing tips. Let's get into it. First, the easiest fix is to wait a little while before trying again. If you've made several login or verification attempts, CapCut may temporarily block new tries for security reasons. In most cases, waiting 15 to 60 minutes can solve the problem. If you've been trying over and over for a long time, you may need to wait up to 24 hours before the limit resets. This step is important because sometimes the issue is not a bug at all, it's just a temporary restriction. While you're waiting, the next thing you should do is check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can sometimes make the app fail repeatedly, which can trigger the maximum attempts message. Open your browser and search for speed test, then run a speed test and see if your connection is stable. If your internet is slow, disconnecting, or dropping out, try switching networks, restarting your router, or using a stronger connection before attempting to sign in again. After that, completely close CapCut and reopen it. Don't just minimize the app, make sure it is fully shut down. On mobile, remove it from your recent apps and reopen it fresh. On desktop, close the program entirely and launch it again. This can clear temporary glitches and refresh the app session, which sometimes fixes the error right away. If the problem is still showing, turn off any VPN or proxy server you may be using. CapCut can sometimes flag unusual login activity when it detects a VPN, especially if your IP address keeps changing. Disable the VPN or proxy, then try again using your normal internet connection. In many cases, this alone is enough to stop the repeated attempt error. The final step is to update CapCut to the latest version. An outdated app can cause login issues, verification problems, and random errors like this one. Go to the App Store, Google Play Store, or the official CapCut download page and check for any available updates. If an update is available, install it, then open CapCut again and try signing in. So, to quickly recap, if CapCut says maximum number of attempts reached, wait before trying again, check your internet with a speed test, fully restart the app, turn off VPN or proxy, and update CapCut to the latest version. These simple steps solve the problem for most users without needing anything complicated. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy software fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.